Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. My name's Brad. I'm here with
Nolan and Dan.
And we are at Galaxy's Edge just checking out the new Batuu Bounty Hunter game that is on the mobile app. So come along with us and we'll show you how it works. So we're just trying to get my app working here for the bounty hunters. Oh, we got it working. So to begin, head to the bounty board located in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. According to the map, it seems to be by the Black Spire Station. Oh, where Ray and Chewie are always working on those vehicles. All right, guys, let's go. So if you're playing, Black Spire Station is just kind of across the street from the place where you build your lightsabers and your droid depot. Right, so there's your droid depot over there. There's where you build your lightsaber behind that tree and stuff there. And right here is your station, right next to kind of this car garage. All right, so I assume this is the board where you get your bounty. We tap our band to accept the job, follow the signals that lead to the targets. Purple means locate the target, activate the thermal viewer, and finally visit the Guildmaster hideout on your right to collect your credits. So let's try it.
Wait, does it work in regular too? Oh yeah, awesome.
Oh, here we go. Cool. So we're after Karjaja. Let's go. So here is the bounty I'm looking for. Karj. Wanted for ship theft in Surabat community, outstanding debts, evading arrest, and damage to spires. So I'd get 900 credits if I get them. So green means I'm getting closer, red further away. So let's get finding them. My band's turning green, which is apparently a good sign. I'm wondering if it's over here by the shops. As you can see, it's vibrating more. Maybe we're getting close. Okay, they have wooden stormtrooper dolls now, which are super cool. And all sorts of wooden. I love that so much. So they're like Star Wars toys, but look like they could be from Batuu. How cool is that, Nolan? My thing is still beeping green, but I cannot find it. We're getting very close. I think, look at how much it's beeping, boys. Oh, purple. Wait, did it go purple? I seem to have found the door. My thing is turning purple, and my phone has shifted. So this is the door. Phone is purple. Tap to activate thermal scanner. Searching the doorway. Oh, there's a guy in there. We found him. Look, boys. Well done. Now to complete your mission and collect your credits.
Tackle him. Tackle him.
Proceed to collect your credits. Congratulations, you've located the target, confirmed that the lights on your band turn purple, and then go to the Guildmaster's hideout.
Yeah, let's go to the Guildmaster.
So we go back to the Guildmaster. Okay, that's pretty cool. We think we have found our first bounty. They're hiding behind doors. I kind of wish there was a little bit of a kind of a laser blaster on your phone fight, kind of like with Pokemon Go, where you're throwing the Pokeballs at the thing. Like, I wish there was some kind of game associated with the actual capture once you've located the guy. But it's super intuitive as far as your magic band lighting up, kind of letting you know where you're going. It takes you to different places in Batuu, and it seems to be pretty integrated with the whole idea of getting credits and upgrading your character in the Datapad app. So really, really neat. But let's collect our credits now and see what happens. All right, so we're here to collect our credits.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
Let's go get our next one. We got to join the guild. What's really cool is the phone automatically updates to who your next guy is. Well, we got hot, and so we got some blue milk. How's the blue milk, boys? We will become parts of the Bounty Hunters Guild, right, boys?
Yes, I'm gonna be the Mandalorian.
So these things start to beep loudly when you're near the correct location. Nolan and Lyndon just figured that out. Good job, guys. So another thing I just learned as we were playing this Batuu Bounty Hunters is your magic band will beep green when you're getting close to it, and you'll beep more and more and more. But if you go to the wrong door and put your magic band next to it, it actually will turn red to let you know, no, that's not the correct door. So it's pretty intuitive so far. I'm pretty impressed. So we just collected our 4th bounty and having some fun, but it's hot and we want to get some air conditioning. So we're gonna head over to Rise of the Resistance, ride that, and then do some more bounty hunting. What's really cool is the data pad integrates perfectly with the guild, Bounty Guild game, and so it recognizes the credits that you earn. How cool is that? Well, we just got off of Rise of the Resistance, which is always awesome. And we're gonna do some more bounty hunting, so let's go. So that's the noise it makes when you're doing it right. And then, of course, your phone switches to this, and it scans. So it's nice that the thing beeps to tell you kind of if you're close. There they are. Target located, proceed to collect your targets. Let's go. Okay, so one of the cool things about this Batuu Bounty Hunter game is the app in the Play Disney Parks app actually records who you've collected the bounties on. So you go up to here to this menu, you go located targets, and then it actually shows you all the different bounties that you've collected as you've been going through your missions. So I'm up to 6 different bounties. Apparently there's 20. It says like what they've what they're wanted for, what their homeworld is, how much you collected from them, and so just a really cool integration of the app so that you can kind of keep up with how much you've done, and the next time you are at Disney World and Batuu, you can continue with your mission. So we just finished our time in Batuu doing some bounty hunting. I mean, we did some rides too, right, Nolan?
Yeah,
we did Rise of the Resistance. We did what else did we do? Smuggler's Run. We've had tons of fun, but I just wanted to give you some thoughts on this entire experience. I was a big proponent early on of the data pad, the Play Disney app, how there's missions and stuff inside of Batuu, inside of Galaxy's Edge, and this is a wonderful add-on to what they've already got, where you can go around and you can interpret different things and do missions for the different factions inside of Batuu, whether it's the Resistance or whether it's the First Order, and build a reputation. Now you can work for the Bounty Hunters Guild and actually earn a spot in the Bounty Hunters Guild. It's really intuitive. Again, some may complain that it's effectively fetch quests. I don't know yet 100% what more they could do in there, especially with people's limited time in the parks, unless you are an annual pass holder. I think it's incredibly fun. It immerses you deeper in the Star Wars universe than ever before. I really liked how it integrates with the other game that you play with the data pad, so the credits that you earn as you get your bounties actually goes towards the game overall. If you are considering whether or not to get a Magic Band Plus, that experience alone to me is worth the little bit of an upgrade to get the Magic Band Plus. So I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you are interested in booking your next Disney vacation, why not contact my wife? She is the namesake of this channel, and she is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She kind of works as a free concierge to come alongside you to help you have the most magical experience possible, to help you as you just plan out your Disney trip. And best of all, when you book through her, her services are entirely complimentary and free. And so if you'd like to reach out to her, easiest way to do that is by email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca. Again, that's jamie@clickthemouse.ca. You can also reach her by her website, clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. And if you want more information like this, we bring videos every single week just to bring you a little bit of Disney magic wherever you are, and to help you as you kind of plan out your next trip to the parks, to the cruise ships, to whatever Disney vacation you are doing. And to finish up our video, we're going to go and ride Star Tour. So have a good day.